Hello guys, this is my channel K Support and Happy New Year. Today is the first day of our 2070. Now let's go to our topic. Our topics is how to record a screen, mobile screen. So now let's go to first app. This is the app Due Recorder for the recording a screen. Now, first we have to go to the Play Store. For this app is only available on Android mobile phone. So let's go to Play Store. Then type Due Recorder. And I have installed it on my phone. So you have to install it by clicking here install button. So now let's go to into the app. So see, this is a Due Recorder. Mm, Here you can set the video resolution, video quality, hide the record window button, record audio, shake phone to record. Then here you can in the notification bar you can see the pause button, stop button. Press the pause button. And if you want to icon on the screen, then go to the hide the record window, so off it. If you let's see the yes, this is here you can stop it by clicking on this. You can see the your video front camera. Take it picture by clicking on this. The recorder and go to the Due Recorder. Let's see. Now stop from here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and share. Thank you. Happy New Year.